I am the Dollar Sportsman, guys. I've got a little bit of Christmas cake still left on my Donnie FL Emperor here from the video we just completed. But hey, I've got the AEA Challenger in .50 caliber out here. You know what? I just wanted to see what else can we shoot with 50 cal. Let's have a little fun. Guys, Merry Christmas! And don't forget, our Savior Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. Actually, he was born in April, but we celebrate him on Christmas Day, and I'm very grateful for him. And without a doubt in my mind, he is real, and he loves you. I have found that out not because anybody told me, but because of extremely real experiences. And you can have those experiences too, if you try. I guarantee it. Remember that. Merry Christmas. Let's shoot some stuff. Let's start our Christmas dinner off with a little drink. The nastiest orange soda you'll ever have in your life. We like point blank and we cannot lie. All right, here we go. You can see my scope is even closed. I don't even need it at this point, but jingle jangle. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Wow! Time for Christmas cakes. We did that on another video, which you should go check out, but we have a few left over, so why not? Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Let's slay some Christmas trees. All right, here we go with a little yeehaw! Woo! Oh! Oh, that does not get boring. My favorite drink in the whole wide world. Eggnog. Let's shoot that. Dairy Gold old-fashioned eggnog for your holiday delight. And now, for my holiday delight. Woo! Holy crap. Dude, my GoPro is toast! Wow! Look at that. Oh, my poor GoPro. It's annihilated. Look at the spray. It goes 6 feet that way, 8 feet that way. You know, normally they say don't eat yellow snow, but I actually think you could eat this. I mean, it is my favorite thing. Yep, it's still good. Ah. And last but not least, we have the ham. Beautiful Christmas ham. Let's see what happens to it when we shoot it with a 50 cal air gun. Oh, Merry Christmas to the Christmas ham. Let's take the plastic off. I want to see what actually happens when it impacts. Oh my, it shredded it. The wound cavity in here is amazing. All right, here we go. Here we go, one more. One more. Dude, the ham hit me back. Wow, that just shredded that entirely. There's part of it down there. There are parts back by me where I was. Dang. Yeah, buddy. That is awesome. Well, guys, that was way more fun than I anticipated. AEA Challenger in .50 caliber. This thing is a dream. You can pick it up at Utah Airguns or Pellet Shop. Both work together and they're freaking awesome. Ben, Justin, you guys are awesome. And Donnie, you absolutely want an Emperor suppressor on the front of this thing because it is very loud without it. And it was so quiet today while I was shooting. All I heard was the spring, literally. Yeah, that was fantastic. It smells like ham out here. It's very cold. My face is freezing. I'm gonna go home. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. I am the Dollar Sportsman. Oh yeah. Air guns are freaking fun. They really, really are. 50 cal, 50 freaking caliber. Did you ever imagine it would hit that before they started making it? I don't think so. This is the most affordable one of all. You can be doing this right now. Hey, check out American Air Gunner. I am on it now. I'm having a lot of fun. More to come. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas! There is literally eggnog frozen inside that from just a few minutes ago. It is freezing right now as we speak. That's how cold it is out here. But it sure makes it smell good. Yeah! Donnie FL, boys and girls, right there. There's also eggnog on my face. Yeah, things got wild. It was fun. Yes! You guys excited?
Yes. Excited.
Yeah! Yes, it was. This is going to be a fun adventure.
Yeah.
Well done. That was awesome. Did you see that? Woo! Yeah! You can do this. Get out there. Let's go do this. Woo!
He's so fired up. This guy. I love this guy.